Today, Driven by Us are in Weston-super-Mare at the Broadoak Academy. We're delivering a fantastic activation day, wrapping up the academic year where the students get an insight into esports, where they get a chance to jump on the sims, learn about the opportunities in the industry of engineering, media and esports itself. It's our third year working with the Cabot Learning Federation. Students have been able to go to Williams throughout the academic year, and today is a celebration of all of the learnings and all the work that they've done.
It's a lot more than driving though. There is the opportunity to look at the engineering, the setups of the cars, how they make a difference, and just to get everybody involved in what goes on with a race car, with a race team, and just have some fun. The steering wheel gives very, very realistic feedback from the curbs, from the track. We're running hot laps at Silverstone, running the McLaren GT3 car on both simulators and the full Silverstone layout.
I think it's a fantastic opportunity that Driven by Us have given Broadoak Academy. Being able to race on the simulator, talking to people involved will inspire future generations, so that's an amazing opportunity for us.
My name's Kieran. I'm a professional esports driver for Bradford Motorsport. I've represented the UK in the FA Motorsport Games, and I'm here with Driven by Us. What I hope for kids to get out of this simulator today is an understanding on how a GT3 car works and what esports is about effectively as well. And I want to be able to bridge the gap and get more diverse people involved into sim racing and esports as a whole.
We've seen 100 young people come through. The simulators have been going non-stop. We've had Kieran here providing technical information and support in terms of how to drive the simulators. We've had Stephen here as well from AK Esports. Working together with them has been fantastic, and the students really enjoyed the days on the simulators, learning about esports, and not only that, the job roles that are available to them, making motorsports more accessible. It's been phenomenal. The partnership, we're proud of it. It's one that's been going for 3 years now in our third year, and it's going from strength to strength, and we're committed to opening more doors for them and bringing STEM and motorsports to them.